Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make pickled radish at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients: fresh radishes, white vinegar, water, sugar, and salt. You'll also need a clean jar. Begin by thoroughly washing your radishes and then slicing them thinly, about 1/8 of an inch thick. This ensures they absorb the pickling liquid well and have a pleasant crunch. Sterilize your jar to prevent any unwanted bacteria. Now, let's create the flavorful brine that will transform your radishes. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water with 1 cup of white vinegar. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until both the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. Do not boil the brine, just warm it enough to dissolve the solids. This balanced brine provides a perfect sweet and tangy flavor. With your brine ready, it's time to assemble your pickled radishes. Carefully and tightly pack the thinly sliced radishes into your sterilized jar. The tighter you pack them, the more radishes you can pickle. Once packed, pour the warm pickling brine over the radishes, ensuring they are fully submerged. Tap the jar gently to release any air bubbles. Seal the jar tightly and allow it to cool to room temperature before refrigerating it for at least 24 hours. Your delicious homemade pickled radishes are now ready to enjoy after just 1 day in the refrigerator. They will stay fresh and crisp for several weeks, adding a delightful tang to many meals. These versatile pickles are fantastic with tacos, on salads, in sandwiches, or simply as a bright, refreshing side dish. For more great kitchen tips and product recommendations, check the description below for links to other deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a game changer for keeping your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.